Hello, my name is Luisa. I am an estimator, and now I will introduce some changes that we did on our personal development plan that we did based on some feedbacks that you gave us and some steps to make it more visual and effective to all your members. So, as you can see, this is the personal development plan. So here you have some instructions and the months that you have to fill. So February, March, and they're all the same, all with the same things as usual. So feedbacks, next steps. But when we enter on the April tab, we can see some differences here. So what we did was to add some more information of performance review. So all the things that we have to put here, they're standards, and when we enter here on personal review, we can see about achievements. So what was the things that they plan to achieve inside AIESEC and about personal development. So that's why we always say that it has to be numerical, so then we can see what did they plan and what did they achieve, so it can be more measurable and then they can see it more clearly. So AIESEC and personal development, so we will always see the percentage here, and then they can see which points do they have to prove to get better and improve every time. So this is the February, March, and April. And we also have the self-assessment part. So some parts about the engagement and also how do they evaluate themselves. So if they did their best, so they will put if they agree or disagree. And then you can, when you are going to have your meetings, your one-to-ones, you can talk about this and based on some points and what do they talk to you, you can bring to next meetings and see how you can improve together. So it's just to mark, so it's very simple, agree, disagree, and this will be good for the next month so they can improve. And here we can see we put a space of output. So how was the meeting with your TL or your VP, your leader? So what it's a space of review. So what did we did on the past 3 months? What did you achieve? So that's why it's important here, the achievement part. So what did we fail and what we can do better? And also here a part feed forward for my TL. So these informations are very important, and if you need more space you can add more lines, it's okay. And here it's a space for you to review what the member learned on the past 3 months. So what strategies did we think together, what worked, what didn't work, and why it didn't work. So to the next months you can think about these strategies and how can we do so everything works and the part that didn't work stays even every time smaller. So you can put here the learnings, and this is a very open space, so you can really talk to your member and also things on strategies together. And after we review our strategies of the past 3 months, we will think on steps for the next quarter. So after we review what worked, what it didn't work, what was our achievement, and how I assess myself. So this is the time that we are going to talk about what we are going to do on the next quarter. So inside AIESEC and also outside AIESEC, what actions should I do, what should I think is important, and what should I focus on. So one thing is how can I develop myself inside the organization. So how does my job connect to the big picture? Because it was something that we analyzed that most people on the service, they don't think that they are achieving their goals and they are doing their job right. So most people, they get out of the organization because they think they are not achieving their goals and their objectives. So this is why it's very important to align expectations to your member and set clear strategies and clear objectives too. And this is the part where the members say, what do I need from my TL to improve my performance through the next 3 months? So do I need trainings? Do I need more meetings? Do I need more tracking? This is a very open space for you and your member to talk about. So this was the things that we had. And also here you can see the competence model. So the competence model, you have to see which levels is your member and how can we do to improve this. So you can see by the months, if the member starts with 0 on the part of agility, and then in March it comes to number 2, level 2, so it has an improve. So how can we improve the other parts too? So this is a part that it's very important for you to explain to the members because not all of them know about this. So what this competence is about, how can it help on their experience and also outside AIESEC. So analyze how was the improvement of their member and which parts does she or he needs to improve more. And this is an open space to talk and to think also in strategies and actions. So this is the link. I think you also see this. So you can open this link together and talk more about this and pick some insights to some other meetings and capacitations. So this was the changes that we did on our personal development plan. If you have any doubts, you can ask us. And also we are going to have a live stream so you can take all your doubts and also give us feedbacks. It would be on MC's page. So that's it. Thank you very much and bye bye.